Hey guys, welcome back. We're looking over ES futures for February 14th, Valentine's Day 2024. With yesterday's CPI data leading the sell-off into the low 4930s, but ultimately closing strong above halfback, we're now looking to find balance in the 4990s to 5000 area. With that in mind, I would like to bring your attention to balancing periods within a day. While a lot of attention is brought to the initial balancing periods, which is the first hour A and B, and a multitude of strategies revolving around the breakout or the breakdown of those levels, there's another balancing period throughout the day, and that is I period, that I find very useful. I period runs from 10:30 a.m. Pacific, 1:30 p.m. Eastern, to 11 a.m. Pacific, 2 p.m. Eastern. And I period gives us an indication of range in the day, as well as potential upside and downside targets for subsequent periods like J, K, L, and M. Today you see that I has shown us balance of about 13 points from 87.5 to 5,000.5 level, which gives us an indication that there's an opportunity of about a 10-point run in either direction. Now, we saw in J period that J period ran through the I's lows, which is an indication to take a short before it ran out of selling in before the F lows. On the flip side, as K is building here, a breakout of I period highs will give us a shot for C and B highs of the day. I period also gives us an indication whether or not we should trade or not trade for the day, because if it is a very narrow I period, it might indicate a choppy day and a day that you want to stay out of the market. Beyond that, I gives us a nice idea of whether or not there is any selling or there's a lot of selling, as I period can balance completely below halfback or completely above halfback, giving us more of conviction to the upside or the downside depending on which side it is on. That is my 2 cents on I period. Let me know if this is helpful to you, and I'll see you in the next one. Hi, my name is Martin from ShadowTrader SquawkBox, and I want to thank you for watching this video. If you enjoy this content, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. And if you want to trade with us live every day in real time, then look for the ShadowTrader SquawkBox link in the description below. See you in the room.